In this video, we are going to go over the Got It number 2 in lesson 10.1, dilations. Remember, a dilation makes a figure either bigger or smaller. Okay, and we're graphing the dilations. The Got It number 2 says triangle MNO has vertices. M is at 1, 0. N is at -2, -3, and then point O is at 0, 2. Triangle M', N', O' is the image of triangle MNO after a dilation with center 0, 0 and a scale factor of 3. Okay, we're going to use arrow notation to find the coordinates of the image triangle M', N', O', and which is the image of triangle MNO after a dilation with center 0, 0 and a scale factor of 3. And then we're going to graph both of the triangles, the original figure and the image figure. Okay, so let's see here. The first thing that we need to take note of is that it says there's a scale factor of 3. That's very important. Since the scale factor is 3, remember an enlargement means that the scale factor is greater than 1. And 3 is greater than 1. So we know that this is going to be an enlargement. The image figure is going to be larger than the original figure. All right, so let's use our notation. Well, M starts at 1, 0. And remember, how do we figure out the new coordinates of the image figure? What you have to do is you have to multiply the coordinates by the scale factor. All right, so we're going to take M, which starts at 1, 0, and we're going to use arrow notation. We're going to multiply these coordinates 1 and 0 by 3. Well, if we take 1 and multiply it by 3, our new x coordinate for the image figure is 3. 0 times 3 is 0. So there's where coordinates M' are going to be. Then we have to take N is in our triangle. N starts at -2, -3. We're going to use arrow notation and multiply by 3 because that's our scale factor. And N is now at coordinates, well, our x is -2. -2 times 3 is -6 is our new x coordinate. Our y coordinate of N, -3 times 3. This is N', don't forget. I forgot the little prime notation. This is N'. Our y coordinate, -3 times 3, our new y coordinate for N' is -9. O starts at 0, 2, so after the dilation of scale factor 3, that means we multiply the coordinates, 0 times 3, O', like I just said, 0 times 3 is 0. And then 2 times 3, our new y coordinate is 6. So now we have the coordinates for our original triangle and our image triangle. So now the second step is to graph them. Let's graph each of the triangles separately. M starts at 1, 0. N in the original figure is at -2, -3. So we have M and we have N. Okay. O is at 0, 2. So here's our first triangle right here. Let's take our straight edge. Okay. And we are going to make our triangle. Oops, sorry guys. There's the original figure. And remember, we said the scale factor is 3, which means that the image figure is going to be larger than the original. Okay, so let's graph M', N', O', the triangle. M' is at 3, 0, which is right here. n is at -6 comma -9. -6 comma -9. This is n prime. And then O prime is at 0 comma 0 comma 6. That's O prime. And look, our image figure, meaning after the dilation, is bigger than the original. It's 3 times bigger, right? Because our scale factor is 3. Okay, so that is what the graph should look like. It's an enlargement. The image figure is bigger than the original figure. Okay, now you can go on and complete the classwork for today.